Time to open 4 packs of 2023 or 2024 Pokemon cards. Sure, this is how you open it. Okay, first let's open Paradox Rift. I might need scissors for this one. Let me open it like this. Okay, now I got it. Plus equals to. Okay. Wait. I see something at the end. What is that? Wait. Ooh, that was a good one. Yes. Yay. Okay. What? Okay, Next pack. Next pack. Yes. Next pack. Okay, it's actually kind of hard to open, so... Wait. Okay, I got it. Pokemon! Got another rare card, I think. Electric energy. I've been wanting this energy for a long time. But I know there's something good at the end. Okay, this is actually super good. I know this is one. Okay, what is the number? 23 out of 30? I mean, 203. Okay. I mean, 30. Okay, I'm just saying words. That was actually a good pack. Okay, next pack. Another difficulty round. Wait, actually, that wasn't really that difficult. Why is it so hard to get this boy out? That's good energy. Just got the dark energy. I think, yeah, it's a psychic. I mean, that's not actually that bad, but we got something. Okay, next pack. Bruh. Another dark energy. Yep, we have another good card at the back. Holy Rapidash. Oh my god. Wait. I thought that was a good card, but at least we got some good stuff. Okay, let me show you what I got. Okay. These are all of the cards that I just got. those are the cards. And these are the code cards. Oh, this one's upside down. Scarlet and Violet battle styles. Wait, what is this? I don't know. Okay. And another battle style. So those are the cards that I got from all of these packs. Bye!